Hey guys, what's up? Today we are playing Jailbreak and we're gonna wait until get hit by a train. That's all we're gonna do for the video. If the train is coming, I hope it is. Actually, sometimes it takes a while. So, guys, check out the new episode of Life in Prison because we just made a new episode because I wanted to, because the series was getting too good. You guys loved it, and turns out me in the volcano was just a dream. I heard a train. So, and I'm with a friend. His name is Sif. That's why I call him. And yeah, and here comes the train. Hit me, buddy! Hiya! Comment down below how I survived that. And guys, still watch that series. We're making episode 5 soon, probably like tomorrow, maybe. And yeah, and let's see if I find I don't know why I will find it. I don't know why I said that. But yeah. Watch the series, guys, and I just want to make this video because I want to get hit by a train, because you guys never see me get hit by a train, and yeah, I don't know why. But see you guys later. See ya.